Hi everyone, today we're going to make a foam stingray. You have this flat foam piece, a template to cut out the stingray body, half a foam ball, 2 eyeballs, and a container of paint. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is paint the half foam circle. Now that we're done painting, let's set it to the side and we can start working on the rest of it. Now it's time to grab the scissors and the templates and cut our stingray out of the paper so we can trace it. Okay, now we're ready to take a marker or pen and trace around the template onto the foam piece. Once you're done, it should look like this on your foam, and then you are ready to cut this section out. Once you're done, it should look like this. I recommend flipping it over and using the other side to attach everything. The foam body is cut out and the paint has dried on the ball. It's time to start assembling. Let's grab some glue. You should only need to cover the bottom with just a thin layer. I recommend pressing it together for just a few seconds, maybe up to a minute, before I set it down and go ahead and finish putting everything else on it. The last thing to do is attach the eyeballs. Once you finish gluing it all together, this is what it should look like. I hope you have fun. See you next time. Bye.